Growing microgreens is one of the easiest, quickest, and most successful gardening experiences you can have right from your own countertop. You don't need a lot of special materials or conditions in order to get results. It can help to start with a microgreens growing kit, which makes it easy to enjoy the eco-friendly benefits of growing your own food. So what are microgreens? Essentially, they are sprouts of everyday garden plants like cabbage, radish, cilantro, sunflowers, etc. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Garden Review present top 5 best microgreen growing kits. Let's get started. Number 5. Greenies Jute Microgreen. This one is probably the most low-maintenance option on the list. You'll get 3 reusable trays for growing. Then the real magic is in the organic jute grow mats. Just roll them out on the trays, add seeds and water, and that's it. You'll have everything you need for success. When the greens are done growing, the mat is compostable in your garden. Plus, you can always buy more mats and seeds to keep a regular supply of greens. Each kit comes with 3 trays, 10 jute mats, and 3 packets of seeds. Number 4. Window Garden Double Veg Ledge. Don't have the counter space to grow greens? You can make space by attaching this growing tray to any window using the included suction cups. Add soil, the seeds, and keep it spritzed with water. Then you should see results in about 10 days. This is the perfect way to get a vertical garden growing inside your own living room, kitchen, or office. Then when you're ready to eat the greens, just pinch them off and toss them in your meal. It's a creative and innovative way to grow any time of the year. Number 3. Double 2C Seed Sprouting Jar Kit. Most microgreens kits use soil or a hydroponics method, but this one is a bit different with a jar and the science of gravity mixed in. You'll start by soaking your seeds for about 8 to 12 hours. Then you put them in the jar and turn it upside down. The mesh top of the jar allows for proper ventilation and drainage. This method is a fun and unique way to grow microgreens. Before long, you'll have sprouts that are perfect to eat in a salad or your favorite dish. The microgreens look so cool growing in the jars, especially when you have a few going at a time. Number 2. Back to the Roots Organic Microgreens. Known for its grow-your-own mushroom kits, Back to the Roots has put together this popular microgreens kit that allows you to grow 6 trays at a time. The entire kit is extremely green with the organic, non-GMO seeds and the grow trays that are themselves compostable. You're not going to get a huge number of microgreens with each tray as they're pretty small. But that's perfect for those growing for just themselves or a small family. Plus, it allows you to try several different seeds all in one kit, which comes with 3 different varieties. Number 1. Microgreens Pro Microgreens Growing Kit. This wooden planter has a liner that fits perfectly inside, allowing you to grow microgreens in a nice container that you can set out on a tabletop, windowsill, or countertop. The kit includes soil, organic sunflower seeds, seeds for a second crop of salad greens, and a spray bottle with instructions. Once you finish your first 2 crops on sprouts, easy refill kits are available. The company guarantees sprouting success, or they'll replace your seeds or kit at no cost to you, making it our top choice. The container is around 16 inches long and 8 inches wide, giving you lots of space to harvest lots of nutritious greens. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.